The victim's father, Vishal Agarwal, has expressed full faith in the justice system. He's demanded strict punishment for all those involved, including Sia Goyal and Chetan Chaudhary. He said the accused should be punished as soon as possible so that his son's soul can find peace. Vishal Agarwal also revealed that at the time of the incident, Sia had claimed that Chetan had slipped and fallen from the top.
सर, इस मामले को मैं इतना ही कहूँगा कि मुझे न्याय व्यवस्था पे पूरा भरोसा है और न्याय देवता ने मेरे को जल्द से जल्द जो भी इसमें दोषी हैं, सिया गोयल, चेतन चौधरी और भी जो भी इसमें इन्वॉल्वमेंट है या उसके दोषी हैं, उनको कठोर से कठोर और जल्द से जल्द सजा सुनाए और मेरे बच्चे की आत्मा को शांति दे। सर, जब ये हुआ था तब तो सबको सिया ने बताया जैसा कि वो ऊपर से पैर फिसल के गिर गया, यही बताया गया, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे तो वो दोनों ही वहाँ थे, हम तो कोई था नहीं। तो उसने जो बताया वो हमारे को समझ में आया, लेकिन हल्लू हल्लू बहुत सारी बातें एक दो दिनों में सामने आई, चीज़ें समझने लग गई, फिर पुलिस के भी हाथ से कुछ उनको प्रूफ्स लगे।
Shweta Verma is with us on this story. Shweta, what is the fresh reaction from the father of the victim? What has Chetan's father said in his latest statement to the media?
Right, today, in fact, just a short while back, we heard Vishal Agarwal, father of Chetan Agarwal, was seeking justice. He stated that justice would be served only if the accused are, they are punished very, very stringently. So clearly, we see that how a mourning father who has gone through a profound loss, a deep depression, not only for him but also to the entire family. Remember, if we speak about Chetan Agarwal, he is from a very well-to-do family, a businessman background with he is he's a director of Success Group. Clearly achieved so much things in short age. I can say he was just 26, and what he had achieved is something really people were appreciating. But we see how tragically the death unfolded. Firstly, it was said to be an accident. Later on, it was a well-planned, in fact, murder that was carried out by his own fiancée, Sia Goyal. However, now the family and the father of Chetan Agarwal, that's Vishal Agarwal, are demanding justice, and they are saying that they are totally relying on the justice system, and they hope the justice serves soon.
Absolutely.